Good morning. Today is June 5th and today's refinishing project is located in Alameda, California. All right, so today in Alameda we're going to be refinishing this cast iron bathtub here. Looks like it's been refinished before. There's some damage down there. So basically what we have to do with this bathtub is fully strip it, prep it, and then prime and refinish it. To strip a bathtub, it just depends on how, as far as the time frame to get it done, it just depends on how difficult it is to strip. Sometimes it's very difficult, which will take you longer. Sometimes it's pretty easy to do. So depending on how difficult it is to strip, typically if it's hard to strip, it'll be a full day. If not, it'll probably be 5 hours or so to complete this bathtub. All right, so this is the job for today in Alameda, California, and we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. All right, so we finished up the bathtub here in Alameda, California. Let's have a look. All right, so this bathtub here was previously refinished a long time ago, so it had to be stripped and then prepped and primed and refinished. The bathtub here, the old coating that was on here previously was really difficult to get off. Sometimes that's the case. Old epoxies, they're hard to strip. It took several hours to strip off that old coating, but that's the best way to do it. Strip it off instead of trying to sand it down. Strip it completely off, back down to the bare surface, and start from there. So this job was a full day, like 7 hours, 7.5 hours, due to the stripping being difficult. And it turned out great. All right, here's the bathtub in Alameda, California. If you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.